Don't worry, you don't have to do a menu. You have to choose a menu template, but you can change it and it can be anything you want to be. So I'm going to look for something very simple. Here's a very simple menu template. I click on it. And this is actually a good template for me because I'm going to pretty much erase everything and start fresh. So here it goes. And what I'm going to do is I just click on the words and then I hit the trash can and it deletes. Click, trash, delete. Click, trash, delete. Now I have a nice plain template. Now just to show you, you can always go back and choose a different template if you want to. If I decide I want to do a pink template instead of blue, you could always go back and change it. Although you really don't have to, because whatever template you choose, you can change it as much as you like. Okay, so just for repetition, I'm going back, I'm doing a new menu just to review it again. And once my menu opens up, I basically want to bring it down to the bare bones. So I'm going to remove all of the words. I click and hit the trash, click, hit the trash. You can also click and hit the delete key, click, delete, and I'm going to delete basically every single thing on this menu. Now the little in the corner, the SP Adobe Spark, they don't let you remove that unless you're going to pay, which you shouldn't. Okay, so now I have a plain, solid blue template. Now, here comes the fun part. I can go to design and you can see all these different designs. I click on it and it'll appear and I decide, what kind of background design I want. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is click the add button, the plus, and then I'm going to do text, and these are all the different text designs, and if you click on a text design, it'll appear. It's defaulting to dinner beauty, or inner beauty, but I'm going to change that to Edgewood School. Okay, so you just change the words, and there it is, Edgewood School. Now, you can just play around with the fonts and the, right side, left side, the spacing, things like that. Let's see. Now I'm going to click on color. Because I have Edgewood School highlighted, whatever color I click on, it'll change to that color. So Edgewood's blue, Edgewood's purple, it's whatever I select. Now I'm going to select the background and then I'm going to hit colors and it will change the background color. Now I'm going to go back to images and I'm going to go to free photos and I'm going to type in puppy. I'm going to click on my puppy and I'm going to move freely. That means I get to move it where I want to. And there's my puppy and I can put him where I want. And now I have a puppy. Now I'm going to go to add again and this time to icon and I'm going to click a star. Now don't choose the logo option because the logo option you have to pay for. So we don't want to do that. So that's what that's there for professionals who want to pay. Okay, so now I'm going to add some words. So I go to add text and I'm going to choose just the plain old text. Come on, where is text? Add text. And there it goes. And I'm going to type e-learning. You can type whatever you want and hit OK. And there it goes. Now, you can change the size, you can change the color, you can move it left, move it right, you can center it. You can basically do whatever you want with it. So this was pretty simple. It's just a template. It started out as a menu. It's now a solid blue template with a dog, with Edgewood School, with e-learning. Okay, so now we're going to save. So I click download and you can choose either JPEG or PNG, doesn't matter. And I'm going to save it. And what that's going to do is it's going to download it to my desktop. If you're on a Chromebook, I'm not sure exactly where it's going to download to, but if you can't find it, you can screenshot it and then send me the screenshot. So to email a screenshot or a download, you go to your email and you go to compose as if you're going to write an email. You send the email to me, mkulbak@nssd112.org. You find that picture search it if you have to. You can search .png or search .jpg till you find it. Then you hit the paperclip, attach it, send it, and you have turned it in. Email me if you have any questions.